Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got two announcements to share with you that Glowforge just shared on the April 2023 update. If you missed it or you don't check out the updates, that's what I'm here for, is to share with you guys. So first up is in their Magic Canvas tool, they added a new sticker artwork design here. So if you want a sticker style, just click on sticker, type in what you want, like dog in a hat, and then hit enter, and it's going to generate a sticker for you to the best of its ability. And right there is a dog in a hat, and it's in the style of a sticker. You can upload this to like Photoshop, remove the background, or use it within the actual application itself after you click use this image and adjust. Just like any of the other videos I showed you on, just a whole new art style, so you can just make as many stickers as you want. Now for the fun part is they did announce a speed update within the Glowforge app software. So there's a little bit of speculation on what this means, and what I believe it means is the speed of moving things around like this, where it used to be laggy, or uploading like designs in the software and using the software after you uploaded the design. I don't think this is an increase to the speed of the upload. It could be, but based on their wording here, I'm going to show you guys. This is their latest improvements tab here, and it says the Glowforge app is more zippier. And based on their wording down here, when editing your designs, you should see a smoother, more responsive experience, up to 2 times faster. And then it's when responding with your key, touch, and mouse. And then I think it comes into place is like whenever you upload a design that has like hundreds of different like circles and stuff, this will make it easier within that application. So just a heads up on that. I don't think this is for like the actual uploads itself, but it is within the actual application itself. This isn't going to speed up the prints of your cut, those kinds of things. I believe it is just the movements and the import of within the application and the features of within the application itself. If I'm wrong on that and you find out it does include like uploads of your own files kind of thing, let me know. I would love to know that in the comments below. Right now, like I said, it's all speculation. If you've never been to this website before either, go to glowforge.com/latest-improvements. It's going to show you every single update they've ever done right in a row in order, and then you can go back all the way back to the past of what they've done from the beginning and what has been updated. This is a really great resource to have, so you can check out the updates as well. I will continue to make videos on them as well for you guys, but definitely check this out as well. Other than that, I hope you guys found this valuable, and I hope you enjoyed the new updates, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.